Hey, today I'll show you how to create a cool color palette for your brand using Coolors. So, a simple and fun tool. Open your browser and go to coolors.co. Click on Start the Generator. You'll see a row of colors. Just press the spacebar to generate new random palettes until you find one you like. If you want to customize a color, click on it and adjust the hue, saturation, and brightness. You can lock colors you love by clicking the lock icon, then generate new colors around them. When you're happy with your palette, click Export to download it as a PDF, PNG, or even get the hex codes for your design projects. Coolors also lets you create palettes based on images. Just upload a photo, and it will pull colors from it. And that's how you create a consistent and attractive brand color palette in just a few clicks. If this video helpful, then subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss any tech video from our channel. And if you have any question or comment, drop it in the comment section. I will try to help you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.